Our main specialization, let's say, that's SPM and EA. So we have this kind of helicopter view and top-down thinking and top-down approach, how to get the best out from the platform, how to connect all the TX elements, so ITSM, ITOM, ITAM together to provide the best outcome for the management and to really have decision-making points with the data available already on the platform. So this is our purpose and our mission, to get out the most functionality using EA and SPM and all the modules together. So we are acting something like a glue between those elements. So basically we realized that the biggest issue with our implementations and generally with customer implementations, software implementations, that the management has a certain requirement about the reporting, and when the technical team is there, they are implementing something like a beast, and the users and the customers cannot really use it and cannot really fill all the data elements or the requirements. And that's why we won't have the granularity over there, so we don't have the data. So we figured out by our own that we could use AI to actually learn from our past, to learn from history. So we generated an AI assistant next to ServiceNow, on top of ServiceNow, just to ensure that we can get out actually from old project data, all the lessons learned, all the risks, all the different attributes, what we can reuse like a smart template to build or better projects. So we can exactly generate tasks and resource allocations, even role profiles for a task, just to figure out what can we do better at this time with our similar projects. So this is what we built, and we are started to build something else for other modules as well, just as an addition to ServiceNow general capabilities. So this is how we would like to use a better data for our customers, because when you can see only TBD and some attributes, then you cannot really report those. Actually, as we are acting in the DACH region and mainly in European Union countries, actually we see now a lot of interest about DORA. And DORA is also, let's say, from risk management perspective, something that we can use like an example from the history. So we can generate all those risks and review the power of AI, all those risks, and we can help to the customers to define better projects, and we can actually leverage this kind of huge administration what we need to do nowadays because of other let's say regulations and compliance terminologies. So we would like to reduce the administration. We would like to give something to the project managers, for the enterprise architects, which they can use actually like a summary based on your incoming demand. As an architect, that's a good help just to figure out, okay, what will be included from our systems perspective. We also have the chance from our enterprise architecture perspective just to connect directly to our new incoming demands, all the elements what we had in the past, so applications, services, even configuration items, just to see a bigger and better picture what will be affected in the future, and enterprise architect can actually make decisions based on this one, and they do not need to read tons of documentations from the past. And that's the power of AI, just to connect the dots. And inside the system, an ecosystem like ServiceNow, that's the best, because we have the data. And as we heard today, basically after the Yokohama release, we will have the possibility to use the data fabrics to access other data from other systems. So we can use that one as well. And that's the power of the tool and the solution.